Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple and a straightforward guide on how to turn off auto exercise on Fitbit Charge 6. So let's get started with a quick and a straightforward guide. So the first step is to open the Fitbit app. So launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure your Charge 6 is connected and synced as well. Then on the step 2, you have to tap your profile icon. So in the top left corner of the app, tap your profile picture, then select your Charge 6 from the list of connected devices or from the list of devices. Then after that, on the step 3, you have to go to the exercise settings. So scroll down and tap on exercise shortcut or the auto recognition. Then name may vary slightly depending on the app version. Then on step 4, you have to select the auto recognize activities. Then you will see a list of exercise, for example, walking, running, and biking. Then tap each activities and toggle off the auto recognize or automatically tracking. Then on step 5, you have to sync your device. So make sure you sync your Charge 6 to the change the effective. So make sure to sync your Charge 6 so the change take effective. And that's how you can simply turn off auto exercise on Fitbit Charge 6. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.